sustainable and stylish plant-based fashion, contact us. Right, with the footer being added with all the options. Of course, we can change it with the prompt here. So far in this series, we have seen AI tools that can create bold, catchy websites, the ones that catch attention instantly. But not everybody wants bold. What if you want something clean and simple? Welcome to day 231 of the 1000 Days of No Code Challenge. And today, I'm going to introduce you to a tool that creates websites that are simple but aesthetically powerful. Meet mysite.ai, the website builder for those who prefer beauty in simplicity. Let's jump in. So, head over to mysite.ai, click on try for free now, and continue with Google. Select your account, and you are ready to roll. Of course, click on continue. So, we've not created any websites on this, so it shows this. They could have come up with some better design for no website being shown, but that's okay. They've kept it simple. Let's click on create new website, and it's asking us to describe our business, service, or brand. So I'll put the prompt here. We sell sustainable plant-based clothing made from bamboo and organic cotton. Okay, let me click on next. So we have a 5-step process. Provide the name of your business or brand. So the name our team has come up with is Leaf and Loom. I'll click on next. What is the main goal of your website? Highlight our sustainable materials, promote eco-friendly fashion tips, feature a blog on sustainable living, let's say, or include customer testimonial, right? So you can see that all the options are based on what we have already provided, right? I'll click on next. What should visitors do on your website? View my work, send me an email, get directions to visit our store, follow me on social media, sign up to mailing list, download a file, buy a product, make a phone call, fill the contact form, what it is. So let's say view my work and fill a contact form, right? Click on next. And how do you want your website to feel? Warm and kind, modern and clean, fun and quirky, cozy and rustic, elegant and sophisticated, bright and cheerful. I think I would go with modern and clean. I'll click on next. And we have done our 5-step process. Let's see what it builds for us. And the beauty of this platform is it builds whatever it builds very fast. And there you go. So it has created the website for us, Leaf and Loom, the name. It gives highlighting sustainable material, promoting eco-friendly fashion tips, and showcasing customer testimonials. So whatever we had given, ideally the third one shouldn't be coming here. That's fine. So view our work and contact us. Both of this are added over here. And then it has given us 3 things, right, that we asked for. And it has added the image of the t-shirt and sustainable fashion advocate with something more about it. And then it has given us the testimonials, right, which looks clean, simple, sustainable and stylish plant-based fashion. Contact us, right, with the footer being added with all the options. Of course, we can change it with the prompt here, right? I'll show you some of the changes that we can make with prompt. So I'll just ask it to change the font, switch to a soft serif for elegance. Let's see what it does. And in the free plan, we get 10 AI edits, okay, because I used 1 just now, 9 more left. And there you go. I've updated your website style. It now has a fresh new look. Let me know if you would like to refine it further, right? So it has changed the font to whatever we asked for. And if you like it, we can click on save. right? And we can ask for any new change if we want. And you can also check how this would look like on your mobile phone, right? Of course, it builds a responsive website. Now, once you're done with all of this, you can upgrade to publish. Of course, they don't allow you to publish in the free plan. And for some reason, they have not come up with the preview mode yet. It looks like they have published the tool just a bit earlier, but that's fine. We can see how it looks over here. Of course, you can change the heading that you want. Like you can, so when you select any particular element, you can see that this gets highlighted, right? Which means any prompt that you're giving is meant for this particular heading. I know it's not as flashy as some of the tools that we have seen in this series, but hey, sometimes less flashy means more effective, especially for brands like the one we just created. If you're running something like plant-based clothing line, a coaching brand, or even a personal portfolio, you don't need neon buttons or flying animations. You need aesthetic clarity, clean fonts, calming colors, and a layout that lets your products or story breathe. And that's where mysite.ai shines. So, if you're putting off your website because it was too overwhelming or too loud, then do give this a try. You might just fall in love with the simplicity. See you in the next video.